On National Science Day, our tiny tots have done an experiment which is shown in this video. In this experiment, our kids are going to show how opposite charges attract each other. When the child rubs the balloon on its hair, it makes it negatively charged. When the balloon was brought near the paper, it attracted the paper. What exactly happened is the paper that is positively charged got attracted to the negatively charged balloon. All this happens because opposite charges attract each other. Same you can see in the case of comb also. Today, our tiny tots are going to show an experiment that how turmeric changes its color to red when mixed with detergent. It is because turmeric contains tartaric acid while the detergent contains sodium hydroxide. When we put lemon to it again, the color changes to yellow because the acid of lemon juice reacts with the base to produce an acidic substance, and that is exactly shown by the change in color.